Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical parts in SolidWorks. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New and click Part and click OK. Now go to select the front plane and sketch. Now select here plane white. Now draw the line from sketch tools and draw the from origin and select here 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 and select here. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 30 and this line dimension 40. Now this line dimension 40 and this line dimension 29 and this line and this line degree 75. Now give the dimension this line 45. Now give the this line dimension 12 and this point and this point distance 45. Okay. Now select. Now go to here again, draw the center line to state for origin. Now give the dimension center line from to origin line distance center line 82 to 2.25 as 0 is given dimension 82.25. Now go to feature and select the revolve tools. Now select here. Okay. Now select this face and sketch. Now draw the center line from origin, making center line, and go to midline select. Select this point and this line. Now just this circle convert entities. Now go to mirror about this center line. Okay. Now go to trim tools and cut this and cut here. Now give the dimension this point and this point distance 6 and this point this line dimension given below 1. Okay. And now just moving here. This point control this center line, control this point. Symmetric. Okay. Now give the vertically dimension this line dimension vertically dimension 3 as you wish or give the 6 below. Okay, now select. Now go to feature and extrude cut. Extrude cut and select the through all. Okay. Now go to circular pattern and here select the circular edge and now select here extrude cut select and select here 45. Okay, 45. Now go to again edit. You can select here 90, 90 select. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Isometric view. Now go to here. Now go to here select. You can select fillet. Give the value 6 or as you wish. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now select here this face and sketch. Now draw the rectangle. This is select. Now this line convert entities. Now select the trim tools. Now no need here. Here. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 18 as 0 is and this line dimension 7.5. You just move here, this point move. Now go to this line, select midpoint, control this point, vertical. Now go to the origin point, this point, control this point, vertical. Now go to isometric view and select feature and extrude cut. Now you select extrude cut as you wish need your job. I have need 40. Just select 40. Okay. Now go to here shaded. Now select the materials, brush or copper as you wish. Brush or copper as you wish. Okay, make our job. Thank you all, everyone. Share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box. You can slot dimension increasing. 80 select. Okay. Okay, thank you all.